Yeah, this is a full layout of a trading profit and loss account with a typical adjustment. Having understood the definition of a trading account, the profit and loss account, we have also talked about how adjustments can be part of our trading profit and loss account. So here I want to quickly look at the layout or what a profit and loss account with adjustments should be looking like, although they are coming in different styles and formats because that depends on the question, the trial balance. In no particular order, it also has a review uh, of a trading account. Yes, the difference is that there are certain adjustments that are made in this context. Yeah, there are certain recommendations, certain work, additional work, if I must put additional work, we are part of this adjustment. That's what makes the difference. Yes, it's just like having extra work after an account has been prepared. So normally we have our trading account opening stock, I beg your pardon, our purchases, all normal accounts arriving at our profits, either our gross profit or our gross loss, having our sales and our net sales at the end of the day. Yeah, this profit and loss account helps us to have a view, yes, a standard view of all adjustment, all relevant miscellaneous expenses that can never be overlooked in the preparation of the trading profit and loss account. That is why it's an adjustment. The adjustment is so vital that it helps us to have a clear picture of our original profit. It helps us to have a clear understanding of the profit and loss account, understanding its financial statements by having all expenses, all costs brought together, deducted from the income, so that we can know whether we are having a net profit or a net loss. Here we have depreciation of assets, which is part of an adjustment. Yeah, telephone expenses can be accrued or prepaid most times. Yes. When we talk about accrued payments, we are referring to accrued payments here means that a payment has not actually been done. That is why it's most times added back in the profit and loss account. In our previous videos, we have been taught the accruals and prepayments. Yes, anytime an accrued is part of an account is added back, and anytime prepayment is in the account is reduced. Prepayment is like making a payment in advance, which is almost a liability to the profit and loss account, while accrued is an asset in the profit and loss account. Yes, so we have prepaid expenses. I've just said that. We have bad debt. Bad debt is an expenses because these are irrecoverable debt. We have provision for bad debt. It's either a provision is increase or a provision is in decrease format. So all of this is part of an adjustment. We have other expenses, we have advertising, we have rates. So all of these are normal expenses in the adjustment of trading profit and loss accounts. Then we also have our income side, which is the gross profit, which is carried forward to the credit side of our trading profit and loss accounts. Our discount received cannot be overlooked here. Yes, either we, like I said before, we can either have an increase in provision or a decrease in provision for bad debt. So we have a reduction in provision for doubtful debt, income of accrued income. We have prepaid income. These are adjustments in the profit and loss account. They are called this credit side of our profit and loss account is an income space because it is from this space we determine whether, okay, the organization is actually having a reasonable position or a liquidity position, okay, or a profitability position, as the case may be. That is why you are having income, okay, from all owings and income from all prepaid. So income can neither be prepaid or income can neither be accrued. So discount received and reduction in provision for doubtful debt. All of these will make up the full trading profit and loss account of an organization, thereby displaying the net profit at the end of the day. Sometimes a net loss can be recorded. So study this format. You can also use your own reference material to understand this better. In our next class, we are going to have an illustrative example, like a question, to be able to attempt one or two questions for a proper understanding. Thanks for watching.